94% of customer service jobs vanish by 2027. That is the McKinsey report. Right now. Not speculation. Not maybe. Certainty. IBM already replaced 8,000 workers with automation last year. 8,000 humans. Gone. Here is what dies first. Data entry positions are extinct in 24 months maximum. Absolutely extinct. Companies like UiPath and Automation Anywhere are replacing 47,000 administrative roles monthly, not yearly, monthly. The second wave hits harder. Radiologists lose 71% of diagnostic work to AI systems. Accountants watch 65% of tax preparation collapse. Your job title might be on this list. Check right now. Your salary depends on it. Every penny, your mortgage payment, your kids' tuition. All of it hangs on whether you adapt today. Not tomorrow. Today. The winners learn AI tools before 2025 ends. The losers? They join the unemployment statistics. That choice is yours. Make it now. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input. AI every day.